Okay, we're gonna craft up a pumpkin. I got one of these velvet pumpkins, remember, today. I didn't really want to spend that much, but I needed the velvet pumpkin, and y'all see why. It's already got the gold and I like just about everything about it. Now I've got me a candlestick, and I had one disc at home, thank goodness, because there wasn't none at our Dollar Tree. Now, what we're gonna do is just I'm gonna put hot glue all around this rim. And I'm just using hot glue, guys, because, you know, we like to change things up sometime, or I do. And that way I can scrape everything off this if I want to, you know, do something different with it. Okay, and then I'm just gonna kind of center it on here. Doesn't have to be exact. Let it get into that real good. Got it pretty good. Then we're gonna put our pumpkin. Let me do it from the side. Come on, see if I can move y'all around where y'all can still see me, but we can see. Okay, see me there. Okay, there now. Okay, so we've got our pumpkin that we're fixing to put up here. I'm gonna put me some hot glue. And I'm not putting a ton of hot glue, because I think it'll stay anyway, because you know, in case I want to pull my pumpkin off. There. Okay, now we've got our pumpkin, we've got our styrofoam, and then we've got our thing. Now look, I just bought me some of these leaves and some I had from last year, but we're just going to start literally sticking them in, and I'm going to do a white and orange. And then an orange and a white. I'm just going to kind of on each row. See, oh, that's already looking so pretty. So we're just gonna alternate it. This is so thick that it's gonna cover up our, we don't see, you can't see, well, I can see that white right there. We'll have to make sure that we get our, we may have to go back in and put more, but it'll be okay. It'll be quite all right. Just going around. I guess if you, when you put this one in, kind of put it where it goes downward. That looks better. That covers up that better. Okay? So we're going to kind of put it in on a downward motion. That way it leaves the part covered. And see, this isn't stuck real good, but it's stuck. That way, when I want to take it up, I can. Go this way. I'm going at a downward motion. White. I hope I have enough. It's white, orange, white. It's a little hard to stick in this white hard foam, but it's okay. No, it's a little bit long. Let me cut him off just a little bit. Must have been missing an orange thing off of something because it's not coming out equal, but that's okay. We're gonna make do. Put our orange right under here. Whoops. Guys, look. That little pumpkin has got to pull my leaf up. And then we can go back and just pull our leaves up, the ones that are kind of sticking down. Pull them up. He needs to go in a little further. Isn't that beautiful? We got our orange pumpkin. Now I do have orange flowers, but I really don't think. Let's just see. Let me just stick one in here. Let's just see. I don't know. I didn't bring but 5 though. So let's just face them out. Boy. It is hard to get it in that stuff. I do like them. Ooh, it's hard to get in though. Trying to get it in there. Now let's see. I don't know. I kind of like the flowers. We'll leave them. This one. I wish I had another. I'm gonna have to look and see. Right here. Do y'all see this place? I need another. See if there's a real thick place I might could take one from. Just looking, guys, see if there's one. I don't really see one I can take out, so I'm gonna have to get one more right here. One more. I'm not gonna put anything, oops. I'm gonna have to stick him on his little legs. He ain't gonna stay like that. He's gonna have to stay on the higher parts. I just put the glue on the higher parts. There, now he'll stay. Okay. I'm gonna have to get one more white leaves right up here. But guys, look. And my vase even lights up. I don't know if you can see that. See? Is that not stinking cute? Yes, I got to get one more right there. It does. Wow. Love it. And I do have some more orange flowers. I could. I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna bring this orange flower up. Let's just see. It's putting it pretty close to the other orange flower, but we're gonna see if that kind of takes up, and it does. It kind of takes up that spot. I've got some more orange flowers. I'll get some and stick in between where I have the flowers. But isn't that cute, guys? Look at there. Y'all spread it out, please, so we can get more eyes seeing it. And it's early. I may even pop back on. You never know. I got crafting on my brain today. Been thinking and thinking. So, I love you. Y'all get you a pumpkin. I love these. Now, a kind of a bigger pumpkin would look cute too, but I like this. I like the velvet of the pumpkin. And I like kind of color coordinating. Now, you could, what would be really pretty, and what I was going to do, but I couldn't find enough. They had a gray pumpkin, and then if I could have done dusty rose colors in here, would that have not been? Oh, it'd been so beautiful. That'd been just stunning. But anyhow, here we go. Our cute little pumpkin on the thing. Guys, they look so beautiful online, but they're not as hard to make. Y'all see, they're not as hard to make as it seemed like. But just, it does, y'all know, like I've always told you, it does take way more flowers and stuff than you think. So always remember that when you go to get some. Thank you, Miss Darla. When you go to get some flowers or whatever to do something like this, just remember it always takes more than what you thought. Always. Like if you're going to do mostly greenery, it takes lots of greenery to do ground cover and to fill in, and then you can get away with just a few flowers if you do it that way. But I did leaves, and then I had these already, so I'll go, I took apart another craft from a few years ago. I'll go get some more of those flowers and put in there, and then it'll be just absolutely beautiful. But it's already pretty. Already pretty. Alright guys, that's it for right now. I love you. Y'all please, please, please spread her out. And you could do something up here, but this is so much to me. I don't think it needs any more up here. For myself. That's just me, and I like things a little bit simpler. Alright, love you guys.